Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancake batter using an easy method. First, let's get our dry ingredients ready. You'll need 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a ½ teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together in a large bowl until they are well combined. This step ensures even distribution for fluffy pancakes. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate medium-sized bowl, whisk together 1 cup of milk, 1 large egg, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter. Make sure the egg is fully beaten and combined with the milk and butter. This creates a smooth liquid base that will hydrate our dry mixture perfectly, leading to tender pancakes. Now it's time to bring everything together. Pour the wet ingredients into the bowl with your dry mixture. Stir gently with a whisk or spatula until just combined. It's important not to overmix. A few small lumps are perfectly fine and actually help create light, fluffy pancakes. Overmixing can lead to tough pancakes, so resist the urge. Finally, let your pancake batter rest for about 5 to 10 minutes. This short rest allows the baking powder to activate and the flour to fully hydrate, resulting in even fluffier pancakes. Then, heat your griddle to medium and pour about 1/4 cup of batter per pancake. Cook until bubbles form, flip, and cook until golden brown. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.